Hey guys, so today I have kind of a sad update. I kind of live streamed yesterday because this little bird got into my house and it was flying around. I caught it, but then again, I wasn't holding to it with enough strength, so it flew again. And it was flying around, and I couldn't catch it, so I put Atena on a leash so she wouldn't attack it. But I stopped seeing the bird since yesterday night, and now when I was entering the kitchen, it fell, so I think it got perched right there in the wiring, because this is an old, very old house. It was built by my great grandparents, and you can see the wiring is outside. So I think that the bird may, I don't know, have been perched there, because I was entering the kitchen now, and it fell almost on my head, but I kind of recoiled, so it fell on the floor. Um, It's a shame because I hope you were yesterday on the live stream, because the bird had a lovely sound, and he was flying all over. Um, as I said yesterday in the stream, his in Portuguese we call it a Rabirruivo Preto, because he's black. Well, he has some grayish hues in the belly, but yeah, and he has a fox-like orange tail, which is why we call it Rabirruivo. Rabirruivo means like red hair or ginger or something like that. So he means literally ginger tail, and I think the scientific name. I used to be a taxonomy nerd, so I think it's Phoenicurus, ochruros, or something like that. And he is an insectivore. He eats insects, so I think that he could have been after a fly or something. I don't know how he entered the house. Probably through the chimney or something. I tried to catch and release him, but I briefly caught it, and then when I opened my hands to see how he was doing, he flew away. And you saw it in the live stream. Um, yeah, so maybe I put water out, but I don't think he drank anything, so maybe he died of dehydration or something. So now I'm going to put it in the trash, because you cannot leave dead animals outside. You must put them in a trash, or call someone to dispose of the animals. It's quite a shame. He's a magnificent bird, and I have a tiny hand. It may not look like it, but my hand is tinier. I know children with hands bigger than mine. So you can see this bird is actually smaller than a robin. And I'm quite sad, but it's such a magnificent bird that I wanted to show you. Because yesterday you saw it flying and you couldn't observe the plumage and how lovely it was. At least you got to hear it sing. And I'm really sad because I was looking for it all day long, and I suspect it was perched up in the wires, and it fell now because, well, it's dead and it couldn't stay up forever. But yeah, sorry, little fella. And this is a male. The females have a brown plumage, and they're even smaller than he is. And I'm just sorry that he couldn't live more, and that I couldn't show him alive still and show me releasing him, which was the original plan, but I don't know. He was still flying and he disappeared. I don't know. Maybe he perched on the wire and got electrocuted or something. I don't know. I don't even know if those wires are still. Oh, hang on. They connect to the fridge, so yeah, they're still connected to the grid because we have remodeled the house and part of the wiring has been changed, but I guess this one hasn't. Well, so I'm sorry for the sad update, but I wanted to show one of the bird species we have in Portugal. And yeah, so that's it. I'm going to dispose of him because I don't want Atena to go anywhere near a dead animal. So yeah, goodbye and see you in the next video.